in his image. Create in me a new, clean heart, O God, filled with clean thoughts and right desires. Psalm chapter 51 verse 10. You were created in the image and likeness of God. You were made for God's fellowship, and your heart can never be satisfied without His communion. Just as iron is attracted to a magnet, the soul in its state of hunger is drawn to God. Though you, like thousands of others, may feel in the state of sin that the world is more alluring and more to your liking, someday, perhaps even now as you read these words, you will acknowledge that there is something deep down inside you which cannot be satisfied by the alloy of earth. Then with David, the psalmist who had sampled the delicacies of sin and had found them unsatisfying, you will say, O God, Thou art my God. Early will I seek Thee, my soul thirsteth for Thee, my flesh longeth for Thee in a dry and thirsty land, where no water is. Prayer for the day. How I long for You, God, yet so often my heart is drawn away from Your leading. Like David, I desire a clean heart,